Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Dussehra, and welcome to my first explanation video of chapter 3 Science book of class 8 NCERT. I'm Shiwangi Priya and I'm going to teach you this chapter. So first, let me introduce the whole chapter and the topics of this chapter. What we are going to discuss about in this chapter is we will study about synthetic fibers, then their types, then we will see some characteristics of synthetic fibers, then plastics, and then we will study about applications of plastics, then characteristics of plastics, then plastics and environment. So moving forward, first of all, what is synthetic fiber? The fibers made by human beings in laboratory using chemicals that are present there called synthetic fibers. We can also call synthetic fibers as man-made fibers और artificial fibers, जो आप ऐसे ही पेड़ पौधों से डायरेक्टली एनिमल से ऑब्टेन नहीं कर सकते. वी हैव टू क्रिएट देम, और हम क्रिएट करेंगे तभी तो वो आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर्स कहलाएंगे. सो दीज आर आर्टिफिशियल फाइबर्स और सिंथेटिक फाइबर. यहाँ पे आप अपनी बुक में एक वर्ड पढ़ोगे पॉलीमर. ओके, पॉलीमर. तो पॉलीमर एक ऐसा वर्ड है जिसमें जो दो ग्रीक वर्ड से बना है. इट इज़ फॉर्म फ्रॉम टू ग्रीक वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट वन इज पॉली एंड द सेकेंड वन इज मर. पॉली मीन्स many and mer which is also called meros, it means part or unit. Moving on, types of synthetic fibers. What are the types of synthetic fibers? See, there are four types of synthetic fiber: rayon, nylon, पॉलीएस्टर एंड एक्रिलिक. अब सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स बहुत तरह के होते हैं, पर यहाँ पे मेन टाइप्स है चार, जो है रेयॉन, नायलॉन, पॉलीएस्टर एंड एक्रिलिक. पहले रेयॉन के बारे में जान लेते हैं. रेयॉन, what is rayon? How is it formed? Rayon resembles silk, so it is called artificial silk. Though it is obtained from natural source, it is called man-made fiber or synthetic fiber. It is prepared from wood pulp. When wood pulp is mixed with some chemicals, it forms rayon. Rayon is used in making carpets, bed sheets, and some cloths. It looks like silk, but it is actually not silk. It is artificial silk. It is cheap silk. So that was rayon. Now we will study what is nylon. Nylon is made without using any natural raw material. It is used for rock climbing, and it is first fully synthetic fiber. Nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire. It is lustrous and easy to wash. We use many articles made from such nylon, such as socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes, car seat belts, curtains, etc. It is actually prepared from coal, water and air. Nylon fiber is strong, elastic and light. Now moving forward, we will discuss about polyester. Alright, what is polyester? Polyester is also a synthetic fiber. The fabric made from this fiber does not easily get wrinkled. It remains crisp and is easy to wash. It is also suitable for making dress materials. अब पॉलीएस्टर की ये एक प्रॉपर्टी है, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक भी है, कि अगर हम पॉलीएस्टर की शर्ट या जैसे यहाँ यूनिफॉर्म्स होती हैं तो उनको अच्छे से प्रेस करना होता है ताकि वो रिंकल ना हो. अगर हम पॉलीएस्टर के ड्रेसेस पहने तो वो रिंकल नहीं होती. उसको आपको प्रेस करने की, आयरन करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज वो रिंकल नहीं होती. एंड उसको हम वो बहुत ईजीली वॉशेबल भी है. ऐसे सारे ही सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स बहुत इजीली वॉशेबल हैं. आपने देखा होगा आपकी बुक में कि यहाँ पे हम पॉलीकॉट पढ़ेंगे, पॉलीवुल पढ़ेंगे. तो पॉलीकॉट क्या है कि पॉलीएस्टर तो हम जानते हैं, एंड कॉटन एक नेचुरल फाइबर है. अब नेचुरल फाइबर के बारे में तो नहीं पढ़ना है इस चैप्टर में, आपने पहले से ही पढ़ा हुआ है. कॉटन इज़ अ नेचुरल फाइबर, एंड व्हेन वी मिक्स कॉटन विद पॉलीएस्टर इट फॉर्म्स पॉलीकॉट. एंड व्हेन वी मिक्स पॉलीएस्टर विद वुल इट फॉर्म पॉलीवुल. टेरिलिन एक पॉपुलर पॉलीएस्टर है. टेरिलिन इज़ अ पॉपुलर. इट कैन बी dream into very fine fibers that can be woven like any yarn. You may be familiar without a very good form of polyester, which is PET, PET. PET is used for making films, bottles, utensils and many other useful products. All right. Now, what is acrylic? Acrylic is a another type of synthetic fiber. It is also a synthetic fiber. We use shawls, blankets, we wear sweaters. Many of these are not actually made from natural wool. The wool obtained from natural sources is quite expensive. These are prepared from another type of synthetic fiber, which is acrylic. So acrylic resembles wool. It is not wool. It is not actually wool, but it resembles wool. It is cheaper than wool. It is a cheaper version of wool. Alright, moving forward, we will study about characteristics of synthetic fibers. What are the characteristics of synthetic fiber? First of all, cheap. Cheap, cheap means acrylic is cheaper than wool. Like silk is very expensive, but rayon is cheap. Then the second property of a synthetic fiber is durable. It is durable. They can stay for a very long duration, and they are very easily washable, and they can be made in a variety of color, whatever color you want. Now, what are the disadvantages of synthetic fibers? It catches fire and it melts on heating. Now, what is plastic? We're going to talk about plastic. Plastic is a polymer like the synthetic. Plastic articles are available in all possible shapes and sizes. Plastic can be recycled, reused, colored, melted, etc. Plastics which gets deformed easily on heating and can be bent easily are called thermoplastic. But there are some plastics, when molded once, not be softened by heating. These type of plastics are called thermosetting plastic. Now we're going to talk about characteristics of plastics. There are two aspects of plastics. First is positive aspect and the second one is negative aspect. The positive aspects of plastic is it is lightweight, durable, lower price, it is very cheap. Lower price means it is very cheap, it is non-reactive, poor conductor of heat and electricity. There are also some negative aspects of plastic. These are non-biodegradable. Plastic is non-biodegradable, it doesn't degrade. Then plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is quite a very serious problem. What are the causes of this plastic pollution? What can we do to prevent it? We start burning plastics. It takes several years to decompose. And throwing plastic into water bodies. Then we have a question that how can we prevent this plastic pollution? The answer to this question is following the 4R principle. What is this 4R principle and how can we follow this 4R principle? First of all, reduce the uses of plastic. Then reuse, recycle and refuse. Say no to plastic. So these are the 4R principle that you can follow to make sure that plastic pollution doesn't happen. If you are facing any doubt regarding this video, this explanation, then do let me know in the comment section. If you like the content that I am providing to you, then please make sure to like, subscribe to my channel and share this video to all of your dear friends. Bye guys.